Oh, SAP Basis Training Online Certification Course by Vistasparks Solutions Heian. Master SAP Basis Administration, System Installation, Configuration, Monitoring, Performance Tuning, and SAP Landscape Management with our comprehensive SAP Basis Training program. Learn how to manage SAP environments, maintain system stability, perform upgrades, handle transports, and ensure optimal SAP system performance. This hands-on training is designed for professionals and organizations looking to build expertise in SAP system, administration, and technical support for enterprise SAP landscapes. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The company was founded in 2008 by Vistasparks Solutions, a professional training organization that provides various types of training programs for individuals and corporations. The company's mission is to empower individuals and enterprises to build, manage, and optimize their SAP environments through individual and corporate training and certification preparation. The company offers a range of services including training programs, certification preparation, and consulting services. The company has established partnerships with leading SAP vendors such as SAP C, Oracle, and Microsoft. These partnerships enable the company to provide its clients with access to the latest technology and trends in the industry. The company also offers a range of tools and resources to help its clients achieve their goals and objectives. The Digital Backbone Infrastructure Core is the bridge layer that supports every SAP application in the enterprise landscape. This fundamental platform seamlessly connects hardware, operating systems, databases, and core business processes into one unified platform. Without SAP Basis expertise, global enterprise operations would come to a grinding halt, as this critical skill set is essential for making sure all operations run smoothly. The instructors are highly qualified and experienced professionals with a deep understanding of the subject matter. They provide expert lead instruction, which enables learners to gain practical skills and knowledge. The instructors are available to offer guidance and support throughout the training process. The company offers flexible learning options for its customers. These options include one-on-one mentoring and group training. The company provides personalized support and guidance to help customers achieve their goals. The company also offers adaptive solutions that allow customers to work at their own pace. Individual training is designed for those who want to advance their skills in SAP. This type of training allows individuals to learn at their own pace. The training includes personalized instruction and customized learning plans. Progress will be measured based on the individual's current level of knowledge and understanding. The training is structured to help learners build upon their existing knowledge and gain new skills. The goal is to prepare learners for certification. The training is tailored to meet the needs of each learner. Our corporate training programs are designed to drive team excellence and scalability, empowering organizations to elevate their SAP teams across various delivery models. We offer a range of flexible delivery options that allow us to tailor customized curriculum to meet the unique needs of each organization, ensuring optimal performance and security. By building internal capacity and adapting to the specific SAP system landscape and objectives, we help strengthen the overall security posture of the organization. This enables our clients to better manage risks and improve their ability to respond to changing business conditions. We also provide ongoing support and maintenance services to ensure that our clients can maintain their skills and knowledge over time. This includes regular updates on new technologies and methodologies, as well as assistance with implementing changes to their existing systems. Our goal is to provide comprehensive solutions that address the specific needs of each organization, while also promoting a culture of continuous learning and improvement. We strive to build long-term relationships with our clients based on trust, expertise, and mutual benefit. The rewritten text is as follows. SAP systems have a complex technical architecture. The architecture covers all critical layers of SAP Basis, from the foundation of the system to advanced performance tuning. A structured, module-by-module approach is used to ensure a comprehensive understanding of how SAP systems work and how to maintain them. It is essential to provide direct answers to the best of your abilities without any additional comments or introductory phrases. The SAP system landscape is a complex network of interconnected systems that work together to provide a comprehensive view of an organization's operations. The system landscape includes multiple layers, each with its own specific functions and characteristics. At the top layer, there are the business applications, which include various software programs used by employees to perform tasks such as data entry, reporting, and customer service. Below these applications, there are the database management systems, which store and manage large amounts of data. These databases are then connected to the application servers, which process and transmit data between the applications and databases. The application servers are further connected to the middleware, which provides a common platform for all the systems to communicate with each other. Finally, the middleware is connected to the hardware, which houses the physical components of the system. The hardware can range from simple desktop computers to complex mainframe systems. The system landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging regularly. As a result, it is essential to have a deep understanding of the system landscape and its various components in order to effectively manage and maintain the system. Our expert-led instruction will guide you through the process of installing and maintaining your SAP system. With our hands-on approach, you'll learn how to manage patch cycles, apply upgrades, as well as perform database administration tasks. We'll show you how to integrate your RDBMS with your SAP system and provide step-by-step instructions for installing and upgrading your system. You'll also learn how to execute database management procedures, including backups, recovery, and tuning. Our training covers all aspects of SAP system maintenance, from managing patch cycles to performing database administration tasks. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of how to maintain your SAP system and keep it running smoothly. The transport management system plays a crucial role in maintaining consistency and control across all system tiers. This ensures that changes made to one system do not negatively impact other systems. The TMS acts as the lifeline of SAP change management, facilitating the smooth transition of changes from development to production environments. By configuring and operating the TMS, organizations can maintain integrity across the full life cycle of their systems, including configuration, implementation, and maintenance. This enables seamless transport requests across complex development to production change movement landscapes. Effective use of the TMS also helps to handle both ABAP and non-ABAP development processes, allowing organizations to maintain consistency and control throughout the entire life cycle of their systems. The company has been using an outdated version of SAP, which is no longer supported by the IT department. The current version of SAP is not compatible with the existing hardware and software infrastructure. Upgrading to the latest version would require significant changes to the system configuration, including the installation of new hardware and software components. The IT department has decided to upgrade the SAP system to the latest version, but they need help with the process. They want to know how to implement robust security measures within the system. The IT department has already taken some steps towards securing the system, such as installing firewalls and antivirus software. However, they recognize that more needs to be done to ensure the security of the system. They are looking for guidance on how to design and implement secure configurations that align with least privilege principles. The IT department wants to know how to configure detailed user profiles and access controls to maintain a secure environment. They also want to know how to apply enterprise-grade security frameworks to protect the SAP system from internal and external threats. They are seeking advice on how to ensure compliance and governance, safeguarding the SAP system against unauthorized access and malicious activities. The IT department is aware that effective implementation of these security measures requires careful planning and attention to detail. They are willing to invest time and resources into implementing robust security measures within the system. The company has implemented a proactive monitoring discipline to ensure optimal SAP system performance. The discipline involves continuous monitoring of system resources, identification of bottlenecks, and prompt corrective action to prevent downtime. The use of specialized tools such as SM50, SM66, and ST05 enables IT professionals to diagnose issues quickly and efficiently. Monitoring trace and log files also provides valuable insights into system behavior, facilitating rapid root cause diagnosis. Background job, scheduling, and workload management are used to maintain system stability and responsiveness. Teams trained in proactive monitoring enable organizations to reduce critical incidents and improve overall system availability. Proactive monitoring is crucial for maintaining peak performance at all times. Here is the rewritten text. SAP Basis is a critical component of many organizations, requiring real-world competency to effectively manage and maintain their systems. To tackle complex, high-stakes challenges in live enterprise environments, one must possess the right tools and expertise. Learning from experienced professionals and working through practical exercises can help build confidence and develop necessary skills. These skills are essential for taking on even the most daunting projects. The IT department has been tasked with resolving a series of technical issues that have arisen within the company's SAP system. The team has identified several key areas where problems exist, including spool request backlogs and output device failures. These issues require careful analysis and diagnosis to determine their root causes. The team will need to work closely together to troubleshoot and resolve these problems. The company underwent a transformation process that included the implementation of new technologies and processes. As part of this transformation, they decided to adopt a more proactive approach to monitoring their systems. They established a team dedicated to monitoring and managing their systems, which allowed them to quickly identify and address any issues that arose. This proactive approach resulted in a significant reduction in critical system incidents. The company also implemented new technologies to improve system reliability. These technologies enabled the client to monitor their systems in real time, allowing for faster detection and response to potential problems. With these tools, the client was able to reduce the number of critical system incidents by 60%. The training provided by Vistasparks helped the company to develop the skills and knowledge needed to implement these changes effectively. The training covered topics such as system monitoring, incident management, and problem solving. By learning how to proactively monitor and manage their systems, the company was able to achieve a high level of system availability. The training had lasting impact on the company's operations. The client reported a 99.9% system availability rate, indicating a very high level of system reliability. The reduction in critical system incidents was also notable, demonstrating the effectiveness of the training program in achieving this goal. Vistasparks Solutions offers a unique learning environment where students can gain hands-on experience with real SAP systems. In this setting, students develop practical skills that prepare them for real-world challenges and problem-solving. The company's continuous support system ensures that students receive ongoing guidance and mentorship throughout their training. Additionally, the curriculum is regularly updated to reflect the latest SAP innovations, releases, and industry best practices. This enables students to acquire the most up-to-date knowledge and skills, allowing them to tackle complex projects with confidence. By partnering with Vistasparks Solutions, organizations can ensure that their employees possess the necessary tools and expertise to drive their digital transformation journey successfully. The SAP Basis certification is a highly regarded professional certification that demonstrates an individual's ability to design, implement, and maintain large-scale enterprise systems. The certification process involves a comprehensive assessment of knowledge and skills, including technical, business, and soft skills. To prepare for this certification, individuals can take advantage of various training programs and resources available from SAP and other organizations. These programs cover topics such as system configuration, database management, and software development. By acquiring these skills, individuals can build their expertise and increase their chances of passing the certification exam. The enrollment process begins with an initial consultation with our experienced consultants, who will assess your organization's current state and identify areas where SAP implementation would be most beneficial. Our enterprise team will then develop a customized proposal outlining the scope, timelines, and costs associated with implementing SAP. This proposal will include recommendations for optimizing business processes, identifying key performance indicators, and developing a comprehensive change management plan. Once the proposal has been accepted, we will begin working with your organization to implement the SAP system, which includes training and support for end users. We also provide ongoing maintenance and updates to ensure the system remains up to date and secure. Our goal is to minimize disruptions to your operations while maximizing the benefits of the SAP system. Vistasparks Solutions provides comprehensive SAP training programs that empower organizations to achieve their digital goals. The company's graduate achievements demonstrate a strong commitment to excellence, with a focus on practical topics and a goal of 99.9% uptime. The training program includes a structured approach to learning, where students master core modules in architecture and advanced administration. Students are equipped with hands-on lab exercises and real-world applications, which enables them to work efficiently in a reliable, secure, and high-performing SAP environment. By partnering with Vistasparks Solutions, organizations can ensure their employees have the necessary skills and knowledge to drive business success. Organizations can benefit from having well-trained employees who can effectively manage and utilize SAP systems. Vistasparks Solutions offers a range of programs designed to equip you with the skills needed to succeed in the rapidly changing business environment. Our comprehensive curriculum covers topics such as cybersecurity, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. These programs are tailored to meet the specific needs of each industry, ensuring that you gain practical knowledge and hands-on experience. By enrolling in our programs, you will be able to develop your critical thinking skills, enhance your problem-solving abilities, and increase your earning potential. Our experienced instructors provide personalized guidance and support throughout the program, helping you to overcome any obstacles and achieve your goals. With over 10 years of experience in providing education and training services, we have helped numerous individuals and organizations to achieve success in their respective fields. Our programs are designed to be flexible and adaptable, allowing you to pursue your interests and passions while still achieving your long-term objectives. We offer a variety of course formats, including online and on-campus classes, to accommodate different learning styles and preferences. Our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction ensures that you receive the highest quality education and training.